TravFast, more than just a platform, a partner for your growth. Here's what powers your success with TravFast. White label flexibility, your brand, your identity. Dynamic packaging, bundle hotels, flights, and services with ease. Corporate travel tools control budgets, automate policies, and simplify approvals. Seamless integrations, real-time hotel data from global bed banks and consolidators. Yield intelligence, live pricing insights to maximize your margins. Who we empower? Tour operators, travel agencies, travel management companies, destination management companies, and government. What makes TravFast different? White label visibility for stronger brand presence. Plug-and-play setup for a fast, simple launch. No development team needed. We handle the tech for you. Scalable platform with real-time hotel access and future-ready for flights, transfers, and more. TravFast connects you globally with real-time inventory, multi-currency, and multi-language capabilities, giving you the freedom to grow globally. TravFast will expand to include flights, transfers, and much more, seamlessly integrated through our API-first infrastructure. Visit TravFast.com and let's grow together.